it's Jen with Polk County Public Libraries. Happy Tuesday. We are doing story time, and we are also doing something new this week. We have an early literacy kit that goes with our story time. So we're going to do this around every 2 weeks. Have a little kit that goes with story time. So it'll be in a bag, and there are some directions in the bag, but I'll just tell you real quick a few of the things we have in it. So our theme this week is community heroes. So we have a windsock you can make. So you will color this coloring page that says every hero has a story, and then you will twist it into a column shape and tape or staple that together. There's also a strip of yellow paper in there, and you'll make that the handle of the windsock. So you'll tape or staple that onto the top of this. And then we have streamers that you'll tape or staple to the bottom of the windsock. And each color represents a different community hero. So we have yellow for firefighters, we have red for police officers, we have white for doctors, we have red for nurses, and we have teal for teachers. And of course, there are many other community heroes. So if you want your colors to represent someone else you think is really special in our community, that is up to you. We also have some materials for you to make community hero puppets, stick puppets. So we have printouts of a nurse, a doctor, a firefighter, and a police officer. So you would color and cut those out, and then you would glue or tape them to the popsicle sticks in your bag. And then you have a set of community hero stick puppets. And then last in your bag, you have a blank postcard. So what we want you to do is to write a little thank you note to someone in our community that you really appreciate. So you can draw a picture on the front of the postcard, and then over here on this side, you will write your thank you note, and then you'll write the address on the lines. And we even put a stamp on it for you, so you can just drop it in the mailbox. And anyone's address that you want to look up, someone who works at a hospital or a school or fire department, police department, that should be online. If you can't find it, call us at the library and we can look it up for you. All right, we're going to read you some books.
Hi friends, it's Miss Amelia at the library, and today I'm going to read you a story about a doctor. So these are two friends who are pretending that they're doctors. This story is called Dr. Maisie. Hello, Dr. Maisie. Hello, Nurse Tula. Let's play hospital. Tallulah listens to Maisie's heartbeat. That tickles. Uh-oh, Panda is sick today. Maisie listens to his heartbeat. Thump, thump, thump. Maisie takes Panda's temperature. Oh no, Panda has a fever. Panda needs to get rest. Maisie carries him up the stairs. Night-night, Panda. Get well soon. Tallulah calls from downstairs. Maisie, Maisie! Maisie runs down the stairs. Careful, not too fast. Crash! Maisie bumps into Tallulah. Ouch! Tallulah wraps Maisie's nose in a bandage. That's better. Bye-bye, Nurse Tallulah. Bye-bye, Dr. Maisie. The end.
All right, guys, we're going to sing Popcorn. So get out your scarves and sing along with us. We're going to sing this 2 times. Popcorn kernels, in the pot, in the pot. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, till they pop, till they pop. Popcorn kernels, in the pot, in the pot. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, till they pop, till they pop. Yay! All right, I'm going to read about a teacher. So teachers are definitely community heroes. And this teacher's name is Miss Kindergarten. And the book is called Miss Kindergarten Has a Wild Day in Kindergarten. So this is a fun book series with lots of different books in the series if you want to read more. It's also an ABC book, so each student's name is going to start with a different letter of the alphabet. Adam throws his hat too high. Brenda burst in late. Christopher says he has to go. He really cannot wait. Miss Kindergarten begins a wild day in kindergarten. Danny tends his droopy beans. Emily spies some ants. Franny lifts her dress and shouts, "I love my fancy pants." Miss Kindergarten has a wild day in kindergarten. Gwen falls off the step stool. Henry just won't share. Ian sadly tells Miss B, "We didn't mean to tear." Miss Kindergarten has a wild day in kindergarten. And the librarian. Lots of books they're checking out. Jessie drops the bug jar. Kiki cuts her thumb. Lenny says, "Uh-oh, Miss B, we need the nurse to come." Miss Kindergarten and the nurse have a wild day in kindergarten. Maddie checks a chrysalis. Noah drops his rock. Ophelia's oozy painting is sticking to her smock. Patricia trips and flips her tray. Raffy Mac soaks Sarah when his apple juice explodes. Quentin overloads. Miss Kindergarten and the cafeteria have a wild day in kindergarten. Tommy dumps in too much dirt. Ursula's seed pack rips. Vicky pours in way too much and the cardboard carton drips. Now Miss Kindergarten and the custodian have a wild day in kindergarten. Wanda whacks the principal. Xavier skins his knee. Yolanda says, "Come look, Miss B." Zach set the butterflies free. Miss Kindergarten and everyone enjoy an even wilder day in kindergarten. Sometimes even a wild day, says Miss B, turns up something wonderful to see. The end. And then here at the back we have a life cycle of a plant and a butterfly.